This is our new machine for welding columns like this. This machine is approximately 12 meters long, and you can weld with it approximately 10 meter long parts. For example, like this column here that we put in as a demonstrator. The machine consists of an universal UR8L robot, which is a long arm version robot, and it is has an one axis positioner, heavy duty, and a counter bearing. And here you have two bearings in the middle, which you can adjust on this axis and along this axis, so in the length and in the height. The counter bearing you can also adjust if you loosen the brakes, so it is pneumatically braked. That's why you have the pipes here. So you can open the brakes and move the counter bearing, and if you brake, then it doesn't go anywhere. You have a hole punter in here for your different fixtures. On here we have the operate panel, which has a 15 meter cable, so you can position it wherever you want along the machine. And then you have an external panel, which has also a 15 meter cable, so you can take it wherever you want to program your robot. The machine is fitted with Fronius welding machine, which has 400 amps, so it is called TPS 400E, and of course water cooled. The wire feeding system contains a drum feeding mechanism, and it has a rod liner, or master liner called. We take the wire from the drum, then feed it through the rod liner, so it has a lot of small bearings in it, so the wire is fed smoothly. Here you have a range extender. Basically it has a 4 wheels drive, and it is to extend the feeding length, the allowed feeding length, and it pushes the wire forward through the orange master liner, through the energy chain, and into this thing here, which is also a 4-wheel wire feeder. We can open it up. And you can see the inside, which has 4 feeding walls, and from there the wire goes all the way forward. When the robot is mounted on a sled with 11 meters of travel length, so you can reach all the necessary positions along the axis. And on top of it you have a gantry which is holding the welding package. Yeah. On the bottom you have these posts, 4 here and 4 on the end, which can be used to position a welding table on it. And if you have a welding table on it, you can weld also different parts, which are not pipes, of course. One table here and one table here, which makes it very versatile.